I have absolutely no idea how the bottom of my fridge was so fucking dirty, so I just quickly cleaned the inside of my fridge. I don't know how it got dirty so fast. I had to take things out. Luckily, it wasn't just, you know, I cleaned this thing. But yeah, I just noticed, I was like, wait a minute. Why is the inside of my fridge so freaking dirty? Probably because I cook all the time. But, yeah, so, ooh, where can I put you so you don't fall? Right here. So I just cleaned the bottom of my fridge and some of these layers of things. I forget how it goes. There we go. That's better. Imagine the dark part of the fridge just being messy. Just messy. For no reason. Obviously this thing right here. Huh. It was messy as well. It had some stains. Decided to get rid of that. It's on. Alright. Is this right? Yeah, that's good. These, most of the time, are an absolute mess. An absolute mess. Now they're nice and clean. It didn't take all day. After I came back from the pond, I was like, wait a minute. My fridge is kind of messy looking. So, now I'm going to put my onions and things back in the fridge so they don't go bad. Everything is nice and clean now. Didn't take long. All you need really is soap and hot water. I have so much stuff in here. So much stuff. I'm gonna put this here maybe. The fridge is doable. It looks a lot better. A lot better. Now, I did mop a little bit. But, that's why the floor is slightly wet. Alright. Everything's done. It's nice and quiet. Peaceful.